Hey guys, this is gonna be an Airsoft vlog. It's gonna be my first vlog on this channel. Now we're gonna play Airsoft at Camp CME. So it's gonna be maybe a 2 or 3 hours drive from here. So I'm just getting ready. I got my shirt. It's made of spandex. I got my patches over here. Paramedic patch. And my Philippine flag patch. I also got my gun over there, which is I'm gonna use. It's an M4 wrist. Also, I'm wearing my Emerson Gear Gen 2 AOR1 video pants, combat pants. I'm gonna meet my buddies in 30 minutes, so okay, now we're here at a convenience store just waiting for my buddies. Here's my gun, here's my gear, and I'm just gonna wait for them till they arrive. Here at McDonald's Cubao, where we're just gonna wait for the van to go to the Airsoft site. Here's our stuff right here. There's mine, there's my luggage, where I put my gears, my vest, my helmet, and everything. Extra clothes, water, and here's my gun. It's placed in a gun bag. And that's their stuff. We're just gonna wait for the van to come here. So guys, we're on our way to Camp CME at Rizal. So we're gonna update you guys later on the gameplay, but first we're gonna take a rest of traveling, and I think we're almost there. RJ, by the way, awesome guy. Oh, and look where we at. Everyone's getting hyped up, everyone's excited, and we're still, I don't know, maybe medyo malayo pa. And look at that. Go off-roading. Take a look. Nag-off-road tayo. Medyo rough ride to Oh! So yeah. Oh my god, look at that. Look at it. Alright. Everywhere. Windmills galore. Windmills everywhere. It's everywhere. So we're in Pililia Windmill in Taytay, Rizal. Here's our first stop before we go to the Airsoft site at CME. As you can see, there are windmills everywhere here. I'm actually mesmerized because this is my first time seeing a live windmill. That's pretty cool. And you can see there's also some boutiques here, so you can buy some souvenirs for tourists. Oh, this is very cool. And there's my guys just chilling, eating, and I'm here vlogging. we play airsoft. Check out that. Alright. We're just gonna go here, look for some nice views, then we're gonna play bang bang. View, boys. Look at that view, boys. Look at that view. Awesome, right? Check out those windmills. So awesome. We're with newbies, so they're like, we're gonna guide them, and what we're gonna do is they want me to be the squad leader, like the frontliner. I'm gonna guide them because it is their first game. So yeah, we're gonna go there at the airsoft site, and this is my boys. Say hi, boys.
Hello. Hi.
There we go. Kasama kayo sa vlog, ha?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna upload this. I'm gonna separate the airsoft video. The vlog is on the first. Okay. On our way to CME, airsoft side. Finally.
Per bonus KPI.
Finally. We're just gonna go down.
Butas.
Asa ng butas? Hindi nakita.
Hold on.
Malalim-lalim din.
Ay, puta yun.
Ingat dito.
Copy that. Alright. We are finally here. And we're just gonna get prepared and alright, I'm gonna have a separate video on the airsoft game. I'm in my uniform, my AOR1 Emerson Gear uniform. We're gonna rock. I'm gonna show you guys the gameplay. I'm gonna get ready first. I'm gonna set up my gun. I'm gonna do some test firing, and we're gonna do this. Alright, I'll see you in a bit.